Vagamon is a hill station located in Kottayam Idukki border of Kerala. Situated at a distance of 98 kilometers from Kochi, Vagamon Hill Station is one of the best monsoon routes. Vagamon is a hill station located in the Idukki and Kottayam districts of Kerala. Located 28 kilometers east of Arattukpeta on the border of Kottayam and Idukki districts, Vagamon is famous for its natural beauty. It is one of the top 10 tourist destinations in the world, listed by National Geographic Traveller. Vagamon via Kudakonam via Kottayam, Kamali Road and turn left from Elapara. But you have to go the Arattukpeta Vagamon Road for a journey full of natural beauty. The goddess of nature has prepared such a beautiful view here. Needless to say, the Arattukpeta Vagamon Road is not an event, it is an event. If you want to enjoy the adventure of trekking through the hills and the beauty of the colorful and wild mountains, you have to drive along this route. Deep Koka on one side and snow-capped mountains on the other. The journey from Thikoi to Vagamon is awe-inspiring, with the road being built by cutting down the huge rocks that lie 6 kilometers downhill. September is monsoon season in Vagamon. Waterfalls and the rich flora bloom during this season, making the meadows green and attracting more people. central Travancore, Vagamon has an overdone of green. With a never-ending line of lush green hills, breathtaking ravines, and meandering rivulets. A perfect tourist place situated 1,200 meters above the sea level, spot surrounded by the greenery of tea gardens, fresh cool air, murmuring pine forest, small waterfalls, attractive meadows inviting you to Vagamon. Reaching Vagamon itself is an extraordinary experience.